Once upon a time, academic institutions gave lectures. I would always go to my study lectures, but I could never make use of the notes that I wrote down. Sometimes my lectures are so awesome I forget to even make notes. I have a problem asking for help, and I don't want to feel like a slow coach. Are you a student? Are you someone who needs help with coursework? Do you always attend every lecture? Not anymore. Well, introducing to you Lecture Verb, the learning management platform for all lectures, big or small. Lecture Verb is so awesome you get to listen and watch your lecturers live or on replay. All the knowledge you need, you can quickly revise and even collaborate with users who share the same interests and study the same subjects as you. You can follow lecturers, send verbal comments, and debate on lecture verbs in many subjects. You can deliver new published lectures, making your discovery that more useful for revision. Lecture Verb allows a series of communication tools relevant to users who aim to want a voice in the life of learning. After lecture discussion forums will help you discover a world of knowledge in the palm of your hand.